Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, I got another freebie for you, and I'm gonna have another freebie for you, so look out for that one, right? Now, the name of this watch face is called Iris 39. It's by JPS. This guy gets down, and he offers up tons of freebies, so thank you, JPS, for this one. All right, so this one is called Iris 39. Again, it looks nice. I like the digital time, and this is going to be a 24-hour watch face, so it's going to cover everybody. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a decent look. It's going to give you a digital time, and it's going to give you some of your information as well. Now, once the watch face is on, I kind of like this look. I mean, it's bold, it stands out. A watch face is made to give you the time. It's going to give you your month, your date. Also, you come down, you are going to get your battery percentage. Now, what's unique about this one is that you got your months going around the bezel of the watch. So whatever month it is, it's going to show up at the top, and it's also going to highlight it to let you know what month it is. So I thought this wasn't a bad look, but for a free watch face, right? This is interactive, and I thought that was super cool about this one. I didn't think it would be, but it is. And this is not a bad look at all. What do you think? Now, are you going to download, or are you going to leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the video was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.